Jason.
Cheers. Thanks for coming out.
海明威说：“别管什么教堂、市政建筑和广场，如果你想要了解一种文化，就在当地的酒吧过一夜。的确，透过酒吧，你确实可以发现一座城市的性格。这里充满创意和故事，让你来捕捉它的片刻真实。今天我就要带你走遍 Pacifica 最有名的酒吧，窥探其中隐藏的城市灵魂。”
My name is Jason Tripp. This is the Tripp Distillery. Sure, we typically have about 3 kinds of rum in stock, 1 kind of gin, 2 kinds of vodka. Our gin is naturally blue. As far as I know, I'm the only producer of blue gin in America, and it changes color when mixed with tonic water, which is a lot of fun. Yeah, well, my house is just down the street, and we're here in Pacifica. And, you know, I wanted to walk to work. I wanted to have something local. So, you know, I get up in the morning, me and my dog walk here. It's just down the street. And that's why everything, you know, is Pacifica brand. I really support the town and love living here.
My name is Sharon. What's your name?
Kathy.
Cassie.
Lisa.
Lisa, it's so nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me something about your drink. What do you
Well,
have?
it's almost gone, but it's called the Jane, named after this lovely lady down here. It's gin and blueberry and lemonade.
How that taste?
Very good.
Very good. How do you like
yes.
it?
Well, as you can see, it's almost gone. I liked it a lot.
And how about you?
I had rum and Coke.
Ramen Coke.
Rum and Coke, yeah.
How do you like their ramen here?
Oh, the rum's delicious. In fact, we bought some bottles for some family members.
其实我们来到 Jason 这样的一个，与其说是酿酒厂，不如说是一个非常有家庭氛围的一个小的 bar， 确实是感觉到我们住在 Pacifica 人民的这种热情。其实就像我刚刚在我身后的这几位姐姐们一样，其实她们来到这边呢，晚上的时候可能就是来到这个酒吧，然后和相熟的朋友啊或者邻居啊一起来喝一个酒，然后聊聊天，谈一谈自己最近遇到的生活或者是有趣的事情。怎么讲呢？我刚刚加入了他们，确实觉得说像一种非常温暖的感觉。我觉得可能这也是 Pacifica 带给我的一种感觉，美丽、温暖，但是在温暖中又有着些许的真实，让我们不用离城市太远，但是却能体验一种世外桃源一样的生活。
Pedro Point Brewing is Pacifica's first and so far only craft brewery. So we manufacture and sell all of our beer on site. We brew everything here in the back, and we sell it by the glass, by the pint here. We also distribute some of our beers to area bars and restaurants. So at any given time, we have 10 to 15 beers on rotation. Everything from a light blonde to a really dark imperial stout. We do a lot of hazy IPAs. They're really popular now. We do some sour beers. We have some fun, you know. Sometimes we'll do a mango beer or a pineapple coconut, a pina colada beer. So we do a lot of fun things. We like to make beers that appeal to a lot of different people. So we'll make a traditional beer like an IPA or a porter or a stout. That really appeals to people who like beer. But we also like to make fun beers like our Pina Colada Hopsicle because it has the flavors of coconut and pineapple, and it's a little sweeter. It's not as bitter. And so people who like a cocktail maybe would like that beer.
我觉得这种像本地的这种酿酒厂，他们真的这个酒的味道真的是独一无二的。就没有我喝过很多啤酒，但是没有一点点是类似我刚刚喝过的这个 Pina Colada 的这个。我自认为不是一个啤酒的就是爱好者吧，可能只是喝一个味道，但是这个的味道能感觉到它的甜和它的香，哇，太棒了，我喜欢这个。
Pacifica has been known for having fog, and so the grape, would remind people of wine, and then the fog, of course, is what we're known for or have been known for. Of course, we also have very beautiful days. We've brought people together. I mean, to me, my vision was always to be an extension of a person's living room, that we are that friendly and welcoming place. And for me in particular, I love to see just this interactions that happen just naturally when people are just kind of standing next to each other at the wine bar, or they overhear somebody having a conversation and they say, oh, I can help you with that, or, and that to me is community. It's just a very welcome, we have high quality wines and foods, so people really enjoy our gourmet options and learning about new wine in a very friendly atmosphere.
我觉得与其说这里是一个酒吧或餐厅，不如说这里像是 Pacifica 人民的一个扩展的 living room。这也是我们这一家餐厅的老板想要带给大家的理念。其实大家可以看到，今天晚上呢是 Monday night， 它每一天晚上这里都会有不同的活动，而今天的活动呢是大家一起，我们的居民们一起来到这里，然后看我们的一个美国的 reality show。感觉非常像家人的感觉，因为这里好像每一个人都认识对方，然后在这里一边吃着东西，一边喝着非常棒的酒。我觉得这一家餐厅带给我一个最大的感触就是，在这里每一个人都会成为家人。小小的城镇有着它独特的魅力，那是因为好像这里的每一个人都真正的团结在一起，然后像一个大大的家庭一样。非常棒的体验，非常多的感动，我非常喜欢这里。
有被晃过若隐若现的光影流动，周而复始，循环往复。每到华灯初上，整个城市都变得让人沉醉。然而这里的酒吧却拥有不同于旧金山喧嚣的迷离。它们仿佛是隐藏于繁华的静谧角落，见证了这片土地近100年来的悲欢离合。伴着轻微的海风，让这里的夜晚温柔而难忘。